Hi there. So I'm on the way to pick up Annabel. She's got a first driving test today. I hope it's successful and passes first time. If you've been watching my videos previous to this, you'll realise that Annabel's been on one where she's parked on the right manoeuvre. I'll put a little bit of a link to the video at the top if you want to watch it. She's improved a lot since then, and I'm hoping she's got the confidence to not get too nervous and stay cool in the stress of the driving test, because it is quite a stressful situation. I'm sure there's one or two of you thinking, yeah, I've been in that situation. It's really horrible, it is. But I'm wishing the best of luck, and I'm hoping at the end of it she agrees to tell us what happened on the driving test. It could be, I could be asking a question like how she felt at the beginning, how she felt during and towards the end of the test. Did she think she passed at that point before she finished? Did she think she made a serious mistake? What manoeuvres she got? All these sort of questions I'm going to try and ask her, and hopefully it'll help you to improve and prepare for your driving test. Let's see how we get on. So, show me your certificate.
I've passed.
First time?
Yeah.
Go on, tell us what happened then. What happened at the beginning?
Well, we pulled out and it was all fine, and I had a little chat to get sort of to know each other, make sure it was all fine. Yeah, and we stopped quite a few times just on the left, just to check that I could park on the left. Yeah. We drove down to like Bowbrick Hill area, drove on A5 for a bit, and it was all clear behind me as well when I pulled into the A5. I was like, thank goodness for that. Oh.
What manoeuvre did you get?
Parallel park, the one we didn't do before. And I messed up a little bit. There was a car behind me, and I was going back, but I didn't pull close enough, and the back of the car was already like that far behind the car that way. And then I pulled back. I was a little bit wide, so I pulled forward and hit the curb.
Hit the curb or switched the curb?
I just scuffed the curb a little bit. Yeah, just scuffed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I pulled off and it was fine.
And how did you feel when you were driving? Did you feel nervous?
I felt a little bit nervous, especially to start with, but it did like die down after a while. I was just like, oh, I'm just driving with a friendly person in my car. That's
the way of thinking it, yeah.
Yeah.
And when you realise you're coming towards the end of your driving test, you recognise the test centre. How did you feel then?
Oh, I was so relieved. I was like, oh, thank goodness, I don't have to do it anymore. I'm happy that it's over. I was a bit nervous because I was like, I thought my parallel park vids had failed me, but
you kept going, didn't you?
Yeah.
All right. So that's Annabel's story. You could be next.